Hi guys, today I will show you how to connect a banana plug on your home interior system. So I will be installing the banana plug on this speaker cable, and also I'll show you the importance or the benefits of installing a banana plug. Okay, I'll show you this one. For example, you have an amplifier or a AV receiver. Sometimes you can see here, if you're not really careful, if you have a lot of connections, there might be sometime that the speaker wire is touching the body of the amplifier. Then this will cause a short circuit. And so the good thing is if you put a banana plug, just remove this one. So instead of placing the cable underneath here, then you can just install the banana plug here. Okay, so I'll show you now how to put a banana plug. So normally, if you have no if it's not yet cut or it's not stripped, then you have to strip the wire so up to the proper length. So just remove this one. So just remove this plastic cover. Okay, for example, I'm using this one as positive, so just measure the right length. I think this is just about right length. Then just loosen the screws, the set screws. So in this type of banana plug, there are two set screws, and also there are different sizes of banana plugs for the to accommodate different sizes of cables. But for this time, I think this one just fit this one. Just loosen the set screw, then I think it's okay. Then you can just insert the cable in, then you just tighten the first one. Then it's holding, then this side. Now you have a very good connection. So I have 2 points for set screw. Then this one I use as positive, so use the red plastic. So this is done, and do the other one as well. Just loosen the set screw. Also this one. I think too much is falling. Yep. I think then this one is ready. Now it's tight. Then also this side. Okay, so that's it. All done. But I'll show you another type of banana plug. So I have here some other banana plugs. So this is like black and red. So that this one has another parts that's holding the cable. Just loosen this one and also this one, and here is the place where you screw the cable. Then you put a set screw here. Then once it is inside, then you can just, but first this one you should be inserted to the cable. Then once it's already attached, then just screw this in, and also this screw this in. In this case, this one will be holding the cable, so it's more secured. But this one is for the thicker cable. For this type, it's too thin, so it's no use for this type of banana plug. So this one just works. Okay, so that's it. So just plug this in with the red and the black, proper connection. Then it's safer, unlike before. Okay, so that's it. So I'll do the other one, the same procedure. Then we'll try to test the stereo. Again, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.